Hello, children. We use different words to join ideas and make our sentences more interesting. We use and to add ideas, because to give reasons, and but to show contrast. Let's listen to these examples and learn how to use them correctly in our own sentences.
Fruit tastes good and is healthy for our body. Kathmandu is a big city and is the capital of Nepal. Karina can buy a car because she earns a lot. I carried an umbrella because it was raining outside. People think mathematics is a difficult subject, but I like it. He is a good actor, but he isn't famous.